And the counting has kicked off for the Hyderabad civic polls. The State Election Commission has begun counting officially. Expect it to take some time for the results to actually come out because there are a lot more postal ballots in view of the pandemic. They will be counted first and that will take some time. So perhaps by evening is when we really get a sense of what the results are like. The results really will shape up in some time. So it will take a bit of time, but the counting is officially begun as expected at 8 a.m. this morning. Let me take this across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who's joining us live from the TRS Bhavan in Hyderabad. Nagarjun, counting has kicked off. As I mentioned, there could be a bit of a delay in really the results trickling in. We could expect it by evening because of the fact that there is a huge amount of postal ballots that have to be counted.
Well, that is true, Akshita. In fact, the counting has begun. I'm coming to you right from the TRS Bhavan, the middle of the city here. But at this point of time, there's no action as such because considering it's ballot paper counting and it might take a bit of time, maybe till 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. in the evening. No such leaders have already come here. Except for the media, there's no one else at the TRS Bhavan. It's still a calmer mood here. There's no celebration as such, no banners put up at this point of time. They're also waiting. In fact, post 12 is what we are told when spokespersons and leaders will start trickling into the party office depending on the trends that they see on media or to the State Election Commission website. At this point of time, the TRS is quite hopeful to redo what they did in the last election, in the GHMC election, that they scored 99 and above, and hopefully that they would form the government. But this time around, they found that for the first time in the 6 years, be it any election, that they have found a tough competitor in BJP. Off record, when we speak to these leaders, they do accept that BJP did put up a good show, but they're hopeful of forming the local body government here. But at this point of time, no party leader is here. But you heard Kavita that she's quite sure of taking this to the final end, that the TRS will win majority here.